It's often the little details that make the difference when you're reading the Bible, and we found that out as we've started going through the book of Mark. I told you originally that I thought we were going to get through maybe a chapter a week. We're not even close. We're going through 4 or 5 verses a week, which has been really fun for me. I've really enjoyed it because you guys have seen lots of things I didn't see. You're adding lots of things to the class and talking, and I really enjoy hearing what you're seeing in the scriptures that you know so well. And so we're going to continue that process tomorrow. We're going to talk about, from the book of Mark, chapter 1, we're going to talk about the testing of Christ and then the choosing of his first disciples. Again, 2 very familiar stories, but you know some things about them that you've thought about and applied to your own life. And if you can think about those things and bring them to class tomorrow, maybe you can help add them to the lives of other people as well, and we can learn from each other. Mark chapter 1 is our Bible study stuff tomorrow. And then the sermon is going to be called Measuring Up. Now, when you hear that title, you might think it's a sermon about do things better, earn your salvation, blah, blah, blah. We've told you many times, though, you can't do that. This measuring up is completely different. In fact, we're going to talk about how God measures things, about how we ought to measure things in our lives. And we're going to look at a series of words that talk about a different way of seeing things, a different way of measuring things, the way we ought to do it. And so I'm going to give you some encouragement tomorrow about a way you can change the world around you, measuring up.